Sattorov Jahongir, O'zbekiston Respublikasi Buxoro shahridan keldim. 3 yil oldin shu O'zbekistonda pochkam qattiq pristup berib, og'riq berdi. Keyin shu vrachga murojaat qildim, O'zbekistonda UZI qilib ko'rdi. Ular menga operatsiya yo'li bilan pochkada tosh borligini aytib, operatsiya yo'li bilan olib tashlashligini aytishdi. Men bu narsaga rozilik bildirmadim. Keyin shu Hindistonda vrachlar yaxshi deb eshitib, internet orqali
Mr. Jakhangir came to me around 3 years back. He was having recurrent stones in the kidneys. Both the kidneys have multiple stones. And he had a history of liver transplant 10 years back. So, post-transplant, managing kidney stones is a challenge. But the question was why he was forming stones again and again. So, we did a thorough metabolic workup.
kirdik. O'sha nima bo'yicha u kishi menga 2 xil yo'lni taklif qildi. Lecheniya yo'li bilan, keyin o'sha eritib, ezish yo'li bilan, tushirish yo'li bilan taklif qildi toshni. Agar eritib o'sha naqla ezish yo'li bilan tezroq bitadi, ham og'riqsiz bo'ladi degani uchun shunga rozilik bildirdim.
For all his stones, he was offered some PCNL, RIRS, multiple surgeries were offered for him, but the diagnosis was missing. He was a recurrent metabolic stone former. So his condition was diagnosed. After proper evaluation, we gave medical management. 3-4 months, everything was settling down, stones were dissolving. Then we did a lithotripsy. Then all the stones are cleared. Now he's on just the medical management.
Kanimda umuman tosh yo'q, og'riqlar qolgan, hammasi yaxshi. Men bu uchun o'z minnatdorligimni Belke Max klinikasiga hamda doktor Ranaga o'z minnatdorchiligimni bildiraman.